Oh.
It's filming? Is it recording? Okay. Alright, first thing I put the oil spreader ring on. That's pretty easy. And then I put the oil rails. First the lower rail. Lower rail, I clock it at 2 o'clock, so it goes under the rail, under the spreader. Okay. And then I put the top oil rail. I have to clean everything off just to make sure. Top one clocks at 10 o'clock. Actually at okay, this is the second oil rail. Okay. 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock, and the spreader's in the center. Okay, and then we do the second compression ring. Check for clean. I clean it and deburr it. It should be deburred, but I'm just checking them. This is a little tricky. It goes from the top here. Second ring. Filming it? Okay. My nifty little ring pliers. This one goes facing me. So I'll try to get it on the back side first. Okay. And then the compression rail, or the gapless rail as they call it. And this one's always a little tricky. It's under the ring. You feeling it?
Mm-hmm.
Facing up, and then the top compression ring